We're gonna fry fried chicken. Just simple instant fried chicken. A1, we like this brand. Okay, so I'm referring to the manual. We have a manual. This is the fries manual, especially for fries. Can you see? Thin fries, regular fries, fat fries, wedges. And this is the timer. So we're cooking chicken, so it sits somewhere here where it says 180 degrees Celsius for about 16 to 22 minutes. So I'm going to do about 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Let's put the chicken first. Okay, since I'm just cooking a lot, maybe about 6 pieces enough. Okay, right, 6 pieces, and we're going to set it at 180 degrees. Right, put the chicken in. Timer 30 minit. Try 25 minutes first, and then we'll just switch it on. We'll come back later when it's done. Alright, so it's halfway cooking, so we just take it out and just you can, terbalikkan the ayam like so, or you can just leave it. So I'm just gonna because actually you can shake it, but I don't know, I don't feel like shaking it actually, so I just want to use it with a tong, like that. They look good already. Okay, so now I'm going to put it back in until it finishes cooking. Alright, the chicken's done now. I added another extra 5 minutes, the chicken. This is what the chicken looks like, golden brown. And I bet you guys want to see how they look like close up, right? The chicken. So see, chicken. Okay, you can see my hands, right? It's not that greasy like when you fry. Yes, I am. Okay, so what I want to show you was last night when I did the fry recipe, I wanted to show you the bottom of the pan, right? So I actually cleaned the air fryer yesterday to show you how much oil would come out of these chicken pieces that I just fried today. So it was in a very clean air fryer. Okay, cleaned it. So this is the oil from today's air frying. So can you see the amount of oil that came out from the chicken without frying in oil? And imagine if you were actually frying the chicken in oil. How much oil would you actually be consuming? So think about it. So setiap kali kalau nak tahu berapa banyak minyak konten yang dalam makanan tu, you clean the air fryer every time, so afterwards you can check. So I've never done this before, this is my first time. So yeah, so it's actually better than frying it in oil. Okay everyone, selamat berbuka.